Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a cool project, printing receipts directly from your web application using a POS printer in JavaScript. This is super useful for point-of-sale systems, restaurants, or any business needing quick, physical receipts. We'll explore the basics, look at some code examples, and get you printing in no time. Let's get started. First, understand that printing directly to a POS printer from a browser presents some challenges. Browsers are designed with security in mind and restrict direct access to hardware. Therefore, we typically use a server-side component or a browser extension to bridge this gap. We'll focus on a simplified approach utilizing the JS-Print setup library, as it is an easier entry point. This library allows us to define printer settings and send print jobs directly from JavaScript. Installation is straightforward. Include the JS-Print setup.js file in your HTML. Next, configure your printer settings using JS-Print setup.setPrinter, your printer name. Replace your printer name with the actual name of your POS printer as recognized by your operating system. Now, for the actual printing. Let's create a simple HTML structure for our receipt. Include elements like the store name, item list, total amount, and date. Use JavaScript to dynamically populate this structure with data. For example, you could fetch order details from an API. Once the HTML is ready, trigger the print job with JS-Print setup.print HTML, document.getElementById, receipt content.inner HTML. The print HTML function takes the HTML content and sends it to the printer. Remember to handle potential errors and provide user feedback. Displaying a printing message and then a print complete message can improve the user experience. Advanced configurations include setting margins, paper size, and orientation. Refer to the JS-Print setup documentation for a comprehensive list of options. Security is vital. Be mindful of what data you're sending to the printer. Sanitize input and avoid printing sensitive information unnecessarily. Also, consider using HTTPS to secure communication between your web application and the server, especially if you're handling payment information. Consider exploring alternative methods like using a server-side printing service for production environments, where security and reliability are paramount. This would involve sending print requests to a server, which then handles the printer communication. This approach offers greater control and security. Understanding these concepts and examples will equip you to print receipts from your JavaScript applications. Remember to test thoroughly and adapt the code to your specific requirements. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking this video, subscribing for more content, and leaving a comment with your questions or suggestions for future topics. Your support helps us create more valuable tutorials for you.